Hadith 826, Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, if someone leaves his seat for one reason or another and returns to it, he is better entitled to it. Muslim.
Right, so if you have left a seat for a need, here the need is reasonable need, especially in the masjid, ikhwani. Especially if you are in the Jumu'ah having the first row, for those who are keen to come to the first row, in Ramadan, okay, you come to the need, you go for the need, so the need go to the toilet. But a need to go and have a meal in the restaurant? No, that's not a need, Kiram, and they come back again. Or a person booking his seat from the Asr, he comes for the Taraweeh. We used to have this, by the way, in the masjid here. We said, no, not allowed, can't. Take that out. No more booking, as each one is going to have his own carpet, his own land. It's not allowed. If you want to sit between Maghrib and Isha and to wait, yeah, sit. You will go to the need to the toilet, yeah, but to go and book it and go home, come back, it's not allowed. Okay. So the need means for you to renew the wudu. Okay, then you to go and see somebody because it's important to talk to him and come back because he's a person, he's in need of something. That's a need. But for you to go outside and there's a need of the house, I'm going to go shopping for the wife. No. You leave and then get back and get your position from back again. طيب, إخواني, this is Islam to show you that it's really keen to give the huquq, the rights of every person. Now,